Okay, before we head down to the ballpark with thousands of kids, we like to test out our experiment first. So we're going to learn all about weather fronts for today, and I have my two weather helpers here with me.
I'm Sophie.
And who's that? Who's that?
Samaya.
And what are you guys going to help me with today?
And Brittney.
An experiment! Good job! Experiment! Yeah! For this experiment, you need ice cubes dyed blue, red dye, and a tub with water.
14. 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. A little random counting is fine too for the experiment.
Ice cold.
That's right.
Ice.
All right, Zariah, at the same time, you're going to help me. We're going to put one, ready Zoe, on 3. You're going to just put the ice cubes right in there.
It's open.
Okay, ready?
Let's see.
Just, all right, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Just put them on that side. Keep going, Zoe. Put all the ice cubes in there. You want to take your blue ice cubes, add them to one side of the tub, and then give it a few seconds so there'll be a temperature difference. Add your red dye and watch that warm air with the red dye rise right above the cooler, more dense air. It should sink right to the bottom. Hope you enjoy the experiment. And cold air is dense.